Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be recreating the most iconic characters or person in Bollywood cinematic history, which is none other than Pooh, aka Pooja Sharma herself from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. So she is like the ultimate Indian baddie. So we're going to be doing a look inspired by this look of hers. So yeah, I like this look and I thought why not buy to do the pink look. Always people always do that, but I like this also look, so I thought I'll change it up a bit. And I'm doing this video in order to celebrate me crossing 700 views on my Bollywood 90's makeup tutorial. So this is like iconic Bollywood 2000s, early 2000s makeup tutorial. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I've zoomed you in a bit so you can really see everything. As you can probably tell, I've already done my eyebrows and I'll link the tutorial. My previous video was eyebrow dedicated, so you can see all the fun eyebrow styles I tried in that, so you can follow that. But we're gonna start with the base. I've already moisturized my face. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm mixing a lighter color foundation with it to like match me. And now I'm using my damp Flower Beauty blender to blend everything in patting motions. She has straight hair, so keeping this in the braid will help me get like a straighter hair vibe. It's like by the time I'll upload this video, it's September. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, that's freaking insane. Like the year completely flew by. I hope I don't look orange. Just hope and pray. Thoughts and prayers. Now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige and using that underneath my eyes, and not a lot, just a bit, because there's no highlighting in like Pooh doesn't highlight. She just was gifted with a flawless bone structure, and yeah, I'm taking the same sponge, just blending it in like patting motions underneath my eye and on my eyelids for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to be taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, Lightning Edit Volume 3 palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade to set underneath my eyes only. I'm not setting anywhere else. So I'm taking the light yellow and just setting underneath my eyes and my nose. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and first I'm going to be taking the shade Riff in my crease. Don't take this too high, make sure it's in the crease. Then I'm going to be taking Good as Gone in the outer part. And just blending that. take the pale shade, which is Breakaway, the first shade, and just using that to blend everything on the top, so it softens everything because she doesn't have much eyeshadow. This is a good hack if you blended your eyeshadow a bit too high, softens everything. Now I'm taking the shade Stranded, this one. I'm going to be putting that in the front of my eye and just blending that bit. This doesn't have to be pigmented, it's just for a hint of shimmer. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a small fine tip brush and take a black eyeshadow and run it on the top of your eye. Just follow your lash line, and then you're going to take a liquid liner and just follow your natural lash line, that the eyeshadow, where you place the eyeshadow, just you want to do like this normal eyeliner first. Then you want to slightly thicken the end like that and connect it. And then you want to darken the inner corner. And then you want to do the same eyeliner on the other side. And then we're going to take that, then we're going to take a kajal and apply it to the whole inner waterline, and especially on the outer part you want to take it down a bit, and then you want to just follow your natural waterline. Kajal is such a crucial part of like tradition, like at least like authentic Indian makeup. You associated with kajal, so do not skip this if you're doing a POO look or any Indian look in general. Like you'll see like different makeup, eyeshadow, but you'll always see kajal being applied. Okay, so yeah, once that's done, just apply some extra kajal on the outer parts, and then if you have like a smudger, otherwise use an eyeshadow brush, just smudge it a bit, soften it out, and then I'm gonna go back to the brown eyeshadow and just add it on the outer parts, just to like lift up my eye just a bit. We're gonna slightly contour the skin, just like slightly for some warmth, nothing crazy. Apply mascara. So then I'm going to be, she doesn't have much blush on, I'm taking a nude blush from the Ultra Blush palette by Makeup Revolution and mixing both of the nude blushes as blush. I'm going to be taking the ambient lighting palette. I'm using this pink, bright pink blush on top of that, just a bit. Then I'm taking this highlighter from the Ultra Contour palette, just a bit, nothing on my nose because she has a matte, mostly matte skin, a little on my cheekbones, on my forehead like the slightest, and then now only lips are left. For lip liner, I'm using the Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut. Then I'm taking the Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayon in the shade Clay Underwood on the outer parts, and then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Muse lipstick on the center. Now I'm taking the Fenty Diamond Milk lip gloss. Then I'm just setting my face. So I set my face, but I forgot that she does wear like this red shiny stuff on her eye. So I'm going to be taking some jewels and I'm going to be applying some jewels. Taking these red little jewels I had. They are already sticky, so I'm just going to place them on like here. Just placing 2 on each side. So now the whole look is done. I'm just gonna wear the outfit and I'm gonna be right back. So this is the final reveal. I did a very poor attempt at straightening my hair. I just could get it kind of tamed, but it would take me forever to straighten my hair, especially since I don't own a good straightening iron. And like, so my outfit, I'm wearing this red top. As you can see, the label is in front, so it's like actually I'm wearing it the other way around, so it looks like her top, which is like kind of cool. I think POO worked so 2020 baddies could run, so POO worked so other Indian baddies could run, I feel. Yeah, did my best. And yeah, this is the finished look. And in POO's words herself, I am fat, pretty hot, and tempting. So yeah, this is a makeup look inspired by the Indian baddie, the OG baddie herself, POO. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, hope you like this makeup look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. So let me know what Indian makeup look you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram and everything. And yeah, bye, take care, love you, peace out.